To set up your new VSE Magnum handheld disinfection sprayer, start by removing the carrying case from the box. Inside the carrying case, you should find each component of the VSE Magnum individually wrapped. Remove all product packaging and ensure you have the following pieces: VSE Magnum carrying case, sprayer head, fluid reservoir, machine body, user manual, battery charger, and two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. Start by attaching the sprayer head to the machine body. Pick up the sprayer head and insert it into the machine body at a 90-degree angle. Push and turn naturally as the grooves inside guide the pieces together. When fully attached, you should hear a click. Next, attach the fluid reservoir to the sprayer head. Pick up the fluid reservoir and line it up with the grooves on the sprayer head. Keep the sprayer still while turning the fluid reservoir counterclockwise until it is completely attached. Now you're ready for the battery. Pick up one of the 20-volt lithium-ion batteries and line it up with the two prongs on the bottom of the sprayer. Insert until you hear a click. The click indicates that the battery is completely inserted. To charge the battery, start by plugging the charger into a power source. Turn the battery upside down, line it up with the two prongs on the charger, and insert. The red light indicates that the battery is charging. Once you have a charged battery, fill up the fluid reservoir with approved disinfection fluid and you're ready to spray. Be sure you are only putting pre-mixed solutions into the fluid reservoir. We recommend mixing your concentrate in a separate container and then transferring it into the reservoir. Users can walk around and spray efficiently and effectively without being attached to a cord. For additional information, visit our website at www.vseglobal.com or give us a call at 256-229-5551.